Hello and welcome to People Playground again. We're gonna go on slanted. Do the thing already. Why does it always take so long to load? So, I am still not getting any comments on what to make people fight with. So I'm just gonna try finding new weapons that I haven't made them fight with yet. Alright, I am already giving up on that. Let's go do something else. Comedy. Are you okay? No, he's dead. Okay. Anyways, we have a new guest. His name is Gomez. And I would like you to meet our other guest, Gomez's best friend, BFG 50 caliber anti-tank rifle. Gomez. We also have Banana Gun. Oh, that's powerful. Much more powerful than I remember. Huh. Okay, what should we do first? I'm gonna take... Let's take this thing. Let's play with this thing some more. 'Cause I can do this. This is a good idea. Promise. I promise. I would just get this thing. And then we... Whoop. And give me this one. Alright, this is not going to cause problems to anyone at all ever. I promise. This is going to cause a lot of problems to everyone ever. I promise. Woohoo! Hey look, the barrel is very, very warm. Now, I can put things in it, and it will be like very, very warm. Very, very warm things. Spike shotgun. I would use the spears for something like this, but the spears don't work very well on this game. For some reason. Boop. Aww. Okay, well, I'm already done with that. Let's arena time. What? Okay, I have caps lock on. Let's try something that I would not usually consider. What did I just do? Let's do something that I usually don't consider. It's called guns. Nah, not guns. Guns don't work very well on this. Let's try... Weapon of insanity. Okay, I guess you get the weapon of insanity. You're rapid, I promise it's safe. Good job. Next person gets this thing. Okay, let's try. Okay, maybe that's not for today. We are going to... Do I have any sort of... I don't have any bunker. What do I have? I did make this. Come on, everybody come see the world's smallest volcano. Erupts. And everyone gets bombarded with small pieces of wood and rock that are extremely warm. Smush. Oh, that was more uneventful than I would have thought. Man versus truck. Who will win? Is it going to be truck? Or is it going to be other truck? Who's gonna win in the truck fight? Truck or truck? I got my votes on truck. But first, these trucks need a little something extra. Make sure that doesn't open. Truck full of regular people, or truck filled with people with bulging purple veins. I don't know. These guys are fun because when they go pop, they make purple juice. Alright. Alright, let's go. That truck didn't look right. Oh. All of the people are all crumpled in a corner. Ah, what a delight. Oh, and there's that thing. I'm just gonna... I have an idea. I should take 100 ton of weight and go like that. Alright, so these guys are pretty good. These guys are not as good. We're just gonna crush them a little bit. Okay, yeah, that was fun. You know those, like, machines? Like, you know how like, you go to the gym and they have, like, the big leg machine thing? Let me get a chair. So you got, like, they got the chair and it's tilted like this. Whoops. Yeah, so it's like this. And then where's the slider? How is my caps lock? Yeah, you get... So. Just knock this guy out because there's not really a way for him to sit with his legs outward. Get back in the frickin' thing. Yeah, like that. I got the weight. This is a very dumb representation. But basically it's like this. And you got, okay, it broke. It's like you gotta wait and you gotta push it and then pull it back and then push it and then pull it back and then push it and then you get crushed because you can't push it. Okie dokie. Concrete wall versus. I thought so. Oh my god, my dogs. My dogs. This thing's so heavy, not even a nuclear bomb. I kind of feel like making something stupidly powerful. Okay, yeah, this thing's gonna cause some problems for anybody that gets shot by it. Oh, yep, he just got disintegrated. Well then, why is the background all messed up? Is it just because of this thing? Oh, it is. I see. Well. I want to see how much I can, like, just make a person disappear. Oh. I have some juices to give you. By spelling liquids wrong. Oh. My caps lock isn't on! What? Okay, wait. Get fixed then. It's not fixed. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Spell liquids wrong. I get the fun juice. Alright, you're gonna become invincible real quick. I'm just gonna make sure you don't completely just get annihilated when I give you this death serum. Wrong syringe. How did that kill you? Huh? Okay, we're just gonna give it to him. Let's do this one first. Huh? Oh yeah, he's kind of broken right now. We're just gonna take a regular guy, and let's try this one first. Oh, yeah, I thought that might happen. Okay. But how do you really feel about this whole predicament? I see. You're dead, but you're not dead. Oh, now he's dead. Oh, okay then. What if... I'm just gonna start doing battles again, but I don't really like my arena for this. It's kind of laggy, so I'm just gonna get the original one that I had. This one actually kind of works. Alright! This guy versus this guy. Fist fight. Ugh. Okay, yeah, this is gonna take a while. Actually, one of mine got pushed off. Oh, this guy got a punch to the face. Oh, wait, I wanna try something. Control human. If I press F, I'm pretty sure it hits him. Yeah. Die! Whack, 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 whack. Oh! Fall in already. How am I standing? My legs are broken. Yes! Let me jump in. Okie dokie. We're gonna do that again, but this time we get weapons. This is actually kind of fun. Let's try... I want a sword. This guy can get an axe. Not that one. That's not how you hold an axe, buddy. Chompy. I kind of feel like the direction is reversed. Are you still alive? That is not allowed. Okay, that was enough of the battles. What if we did car versus bicycle? Now we know. Is it really worth it being on the right side of the, being out of the way if you're on a bike?
Man, this house ain't got enough outlets.
What the frick
What
is
if we
this?
kissed under the missile toaster? I wouldn't want to. What if they fell out?
My MK video just started. Okay. So we got this one. That was weird. Oh. Okay. So you probably should be on the right side of the road, or try to get out the way. This guy doesn't seem very okay. Why is it doing wheelies? Explodey. What should I do? Let's try. Noise. Got a generator. We have a light bulb. This is not going to end well. Woo! Okay. It doesn't make sense, but okay. Oh, he's still alive. Kind of. Kind of. What other things can I power with a generator to make them fun? I'm gonna make a microwave. Technically, I already have a microwave that I could use, but that's boring. I saw another YouTuber do something similar to this. Except they probably made theirs much better. You there! Oh, you're dead now. So now, as soon as I build something that's capable of wiping out lots of people, you just, oh yeah, I'm dead now. Oh! That was less of a microwave and more of a gun. If that even makes sense. Break out my friend, the infinite battery. This thing breaks literally everything. Like I said. Oh my gosh. This is not a thruster, it's just like the freaking Ragnarok laser, not Ragnarok. You know the laser that Thor uses to get around the... Heck. I've read about the mythology and I don't... Bifrost? The Rainbow Bridge thing. But oh my gosh. Deletion. Invincible. We're gonna give this guy 2 types of invincible. So we're gonna bring this guy somewhere where the laser isn't going to just annihilate him in 3 seconds. Okie dokie. Screen's still shaking a lot. We're gonna have you do some things that are not possible because we're gonna have you survive something that shouldn't be possible to do. Like, not possible to survive and not possible to make. And to make sure he doesn't, like, escape or something, we're gonna freeze him in place in here. How you doing? I see you're on fire. Quite a bit of it. Nah, I don't see any right now. We're gonna follow and inspect you. Okay, okay, yep, that's very good blood amounts, internal temperatures, and blood pressure. Oh, now he's crumpled into a small pile. Would you look at that? Okay. Bring this to the place where I can actually figure out what this pile is. Hey, wait, is this just a producer of something I've already made before? I think it is! No more crazy thing. I've made one of these before. It wasn't as... Okay, mine doesn't teleport. Anyways, with this confusing discovery, I am going to have to stop the video here. Oh, look, here he is. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. Goodbye.